Follow these steps to get faster uTorrent download speeds. I show you guys the settings. Just right click on this file and select open containing folder and select continue. And now this is saved in downloads folder. Just copy this path and go to search menu and type Windows Security. Click on open it. Select the virus and threat protection and select manage settings and scroll down and select add or remove exclusions and select yes. Select add an exclusion and select folder, and you just need to paste the path we copied and press enter. Just need to go back to this downloads folder, select the downloads folder and select folder option. The folder has been added to this list. Now just right click on the uTorrent on the desktop shortcut and select open file location. Copy this file path and select the add an exclusion option and select folder and paste the path we copied in address bar and press enter. Just go back and select the uTorrent folder and select folder option. The folder has been added to this list as you can see. Now go to virus and threat protection and select manage settings. Scroll down and select controlled folder access. Select manage controlled folder access. Just turn off this controlled folder access and select yes option. And these settings will fix stuck problem. Now we have successfully done with the Windows security settings. Now just close stuff here and go back to uTorrent and select options and select preferences and go to connection and port used. Set this to 47464 47464 and then select apply to save changes and go to bandwidth. In number of connections, set this to 1000. Now set to 500. In the upload slot, set this to 25 and select apply to save changes. Go to BitTorrent and outgoing, set this to enabled and select apply to save changes. Select the queuing option. Maximum number of active torrents, set this to 50. And maximum number of active downloads, set this to 25. And select apply to save changes. And go to advanced. In filter, set DHT and you will get this DHT rate. Just select it and change this value to 2 and select set option, the value set at as you can see. And go back to filter and type here RSS, and as you can see RSS update interval, set this to 20 and select set option. It has been set 20 and select OK option. Everything has been saved. Now close the uTorrent in the system tray as well and open it again. Now start the download. After doing this step, I got 10 Mbps speed, guys. This is the working method. I analyze all the things and gives you all these steps. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.